When we study the effects of organizational design on organizational behavior, we must consider individual differences. People vary in terms of what they prefer and what they expect from their work. Some people want work that makes minimal intellectual demands and provides the security of routine. For them, high work specialization is a source of job satisfaction. Other people want work that meets their need for growth or diversity. For them, high work specialization might impair their performance. Researchers have consistently demonstrated a link between centralization and satisfaction. In general, low centralization is associated with high job satisfaction, but this is only the case for people who prefer autonomy. People who dislike ambiguity might struggle in a decentralized structure where ambiguity is the name of the game. What does all of this mean for managers? They need to be intentional in shaping organizational structure. It's going to develop whether they plan for it or not. They might as well be engaged in the process and have some control over how it develops. They should design structures that support the organization's goals. In this lecture, we learned how different types of structure provide benefits or create problems. If the organization is concerned about health and safety, a structure that relies on functional departmentalization and high formalization might be essential. If the organization is concerned more about innovation, a decentralized structure and boundary spanning might be more beneficial. Managers also need to recognize that although specialization can make operations more efficient, too much of it can lead people to become dissatisfied and unmotivated. For this reason, they should avoid rigid hierarchies that take away people's sense of autonomy.